This is our lesson number 25 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology video YouTube channel. In this lesson, we are learning more about Garnet family. This is part 2, lesson number 25. If you forget to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give like and share. Now, in this picture, this green color one, this one and this one are savorite garnets, savorite, another green color garnet variety. And the center stones are color change garnets, green garnets, left and right. In the center is color change garnet, that means blue garnet. We learned earlier blue garnet. This is color change garnet, that means blue garnet. It is changing color from bluish green or blue to purplish red like alexandrite. So it is called color change garnet. Now we are moving to inside. Garnets are commonly red, but also come in an extraordinary range of beautiful colors, including orange, yellow, purple, and vibrant green. There are even garnets that change color from blue to purple in different lighting. The name garnet refers to a group of closely related minerals. These all are garnets. So we can discuss it as calcium, aluminium, silicate, Ca3Al2Si3O2. This is the common formula, chemical formula. Grossular is the most vari-colored of the garnets. Grossular garnets are coming under different colors. So most vari-colored of the garnets are grossular. Pure grossular is colorless. The wide range of colors in this garnet is caused by various impurities. Some grossular types have their own unique variety or trade names and are only called by these names in the gemstone market. Remember that. The orange brown is essonite and the deep green savorite. Varieties are the best known varieties in the gem trade. Now look at here. Polar grossular family. Garnet grossular rough. This is rough. Look at the shape. Crystal shape of the garnets. See the color. Garnet hessonite. Gemstone rough. Hessonite garnet. Look at the shape of the garnet crystal. This is savorite from Tanzania. Look at the shape. Look at the shape. Garnet, savorite, gemstone rough, polar rough. Grossular garnet. So the grossular family is multicolored, vari-colored. Most vari-colored is grossular garnet. The chemical formula for that is calcium aluminium silicate. Rhodolite, another one, rhodolite. It is magnesium iron and iron with aluminium silicate. Look at the calcium aluminium silicate. Look at this. Instead of calcium, magnesium and iron is there, then aluminium silicate part is common for both. So magnesium iron aluminium silicate is rhodolite garnet. Look at the rhodolite colors. Pyrope, pink with the purple tone, that is called pyrope. It is red garnet in graphite crystal, rhodolite. These are the garnet rough. It is usually an intermediary variety between the pyrope and alamandine series. Between the pyrope and alamandine series, that is called rhodolite. Usually containing more magnesium. This is magnesium. More magnesium than iron. More magnesium than iron in its chemical structure, thus leaning closer towards pyrope. It is often regarded as variety of pyrope. So these are called pyrope and rhodolite. Now look at this. It is, look at the colors here. This is purplish pink. And look at the pyrope, rhodolite. Both are mixed together. Pyrope and rhodolite. Look at those. Those colors. Purplish pink is there. Pyrope and rhodolite. Both included together. Please subscribe if it is forgot. Now we are moving to next part. Here it is Savarite garnet from Tanzania. Savarite is green garnet, but another green garnet is there that is called another name. We are discussing later. It is a rare stone. So it is coming from Ratnapura. Savarite garnet is from Tanzania. Very beautiful, high price garnet. Calcium aluminium silicate. You know the garnet structure. Earlier we discussed in lesson number 24. This is calcium aluminium silicate. Instead of the other part, calcium came here. Is a trade name for the emerald green variety of Roseola garnet that originates in Africa. Savarite has become one of the most popular and expensive garnets in the world. Look at before and after Savarites here. Before rough. This is after. This rough, after cutting, it gives like 15.77 carats. The rough is 55.37 carats. The clean stone after cutting is 15.77. These are the rough cut to, these roughs cut to 31.57 carats. This is the rough stone, Savarite, and another Savarite rough stone. This is the cut and polished 116.76 carat square cushion cut. One of the rarest cuts for Savarite. Very big price also. Please subscribe if you forgot it. Now we are moving to the next slide. This one also 283.74 carats rough Savarite was mined in Mielani, Tanzania. The city is Mielani, Tanzania. Look at the stone and the rough stone and the body. This is with diamond jewelry, with diamond. Savarite, vivid green, high priced green. All are Savarites here. Look at the differences in rough and the cut and polish also. All are from Tanzania. It is high priced. Next one is andradite. Andradite. That means calcium iron silicate. No aluminium is there. You can remember the aluminium group and the calcium group. There are two groups we discussed earlier. This is not aluminium group. It is in calcium group. Calcium iron silicate. That is andradite. Andradite is the most lustrous of the garnets and has several gemstone varieties. Most lustrous. Andradite is a common mineral, but is usually opaque. It is opaque and not fit for gemstone use. The transparent gemiforms are rare and valued. So that is the andradite quality. These andradite roughs can't take as gem quality. Andradite. But this one, after cutting, it gives 0.92 andradite if quality. If quality means internally flawless. Loop clean. 100% loop clean means internally flawless. I for internally, F for flawless. So this is internally flawless andradite garnet. Now you learn it. Now we are moving to another variety, Uvera white. Uvera white is the rarest of the familiar garnets and is seldom used as a gem. Uvera white. Uvera white is an individual member mineral of the garnet group. It is individual mineral. It only occurs in very small crystals, and crystals are rarely large enough for faceting. The color of Uvera white is a deep chrome green because it is highly chromium content is there. Calcium chromium silicate is the chemical formula. Calcium chromium silicate. No aluminium there. Instead of aluminium, chromium is there. So calcium chromium silicate is the name for Uvera white. And Uvera white is a unique garnet, being that it only comes in one color. It is little bit chrome green, deep chrome green, like emerald. See the rough stone, chrome green. See the jewelry, cabochon jewelry here. And look at the rough. This rough, look at the crystal shape of the garnet. Genuine crystal shape is there. This is the length, 1.25 millimeter, very small one. Uvarovite is an individual member mineral of the garnet group. It only occurs in very small crystal. Remember that. It only occurs in very small crystals. And crystals are really large enough for faceting. It is really large enough for faceting. Very small crystals are come. The color of uvarovite is a deep chrome green. And uvarovite is a unique garnet, being that it only comes in one color. Right. Now we are moving to here. What is this? Color change garnet. Color change garnet. See, in daylight, it is giving blue or bluish green. In incandescent light, it is giving purplish red, raspberry red. This, if it is blue color, that is called blue color change garnet, blue garnet. We learned earlier. It is very, very rare, highly prized in the world. So this is Madagascar color change garnet. Color change garnet, look at this, the change of the color. Look at this color change. Bluish green to orangish red, little bit purple. Look at this. It is another one. Now we are discussing the color change garnets. Garnet that exhibits a different color in natural and artificial light is called color change garnet. Color change garnet is an intermediary mix between the pyrope and spessartite. Remember this, pyrope garnet and the spessartite garnet, both are mixed together to give the color change garnet. Though closer in composition to pyrope. Closer composition is to pyrope and presents a color change from a light brownish, yellowish, or greenish in daylight to a pink or purplish color in incandescent light. Remember that. A few rare specimens may even have a bluish color called blue garnet, which is extremely rare for garnet. Blue color, this is the color. If you have blue color, it is very, 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 very expensive. Rare one. Now look at there, Kenya. This garnet, color change garnet from Kenya. See, daylight, incandescent light. This is color change Malaya garnet. See the color change, little change in daylight color and the incandescent light color. 2.24 carats weight. Color change Malaya garnet. Remember, the color change garnet and the Malaya garnet also pyrope and spessartite mixed. If you forgot to subscribe, please subscribe. Now we are moving to this. This is the another green garnet. I told earlier, green one. The list below are more general garnet variety names that are commonly used. From now on, let's talk about the types of garnets in common use. Let's take demontoid as one of it. The rest of it is revisited in part 3. We are visiting in part 3 again. Demontoid is another valuable garnet quality. We can find demontoids in Ratnapura, olive green, the color, to emerald green. This is the range of color. Olive green to emerald green, gem variety of andradite garnet family. Demontoid comes under the andradite family. Androdites range in color from olive green to emerald green. Visible host tail inclusions are endemic and therefore very expensive and rare. This is the most valuable case. Can you understand this? You can see this inclusion. It is like host tail. If it is host tail inclusion is there, the price is very high. So only the gem we can find The high price with highly included inclusions is demantoid garnet. So this is 1 carat demantoid. All are demantoids with little changes. This is the garnet crystal shape. This is called post-tail inclusions. We are learning again under the inclusions lessons. We are learning again after 80, 90 numbers, lesson numbers. So we are revisiting demantoid there. Now we are moving to next. In the next lesson, 26, we will learn about Garnet part 3. Join us and learn, embrace your future. Now remember this. This is very important. I think take color printout. Pyrope, White, Rosular, Andradite, Almandine, Spessartine. We told this part is aluminium garnets. The other part, this 3 is calcium garnets. So this is very important. How minerals are mixed and give colors. So we are meeting on next lesson 26. That means Garnet part 3. I am ready to stop now. Please subscribe and give a share.